Are you gonna say hi to the excavator? Huh? Elijah? Are you gonna say hi?
Remember just saw down there?
Hmm?
It's just working, remember?
Yes. Well, have you seen the dump truck too?
No.
No?
No, don't touch the yaw.
Why? But yesterday I saw one dump truck came here. Okay, go to the bucket. Go to the bucket. Yeah. What? What is it? What part is this one? That one? What part is it?
The tread.
The what?
The tread.
I thought it's a tracks.
Tread truck.
Oh, very good. Okay, go to the other side. Go to the other side. You go to the bucket area. Where's the boom?
There's a plane.
Wow, there's a blade. Aww. Where's your small ones?
It's a bucket.
Yeah, and where is the...
Ah!
Again? You go and touch it. That's big. That's big. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, you just stand there. You go to the blade.
I just standing.
Huh? What is it? There's a blade. And where's the cab? Okay. And where's the boom? And where's the arm? Oh my god. And last one is the bucket. Where's the tracks? Very good. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Mom,
Yes.
excavator.
This what?
The T-by excavator.
Oh, are you happy?
Yeah.
Can you climb up to the tracks?
That is my excavator.
Okay, you climb up to the tracks na.
I just drive it. Remember?
You what?
I just drive it. Remember?
Oh, where? In your dream?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's the
what-
dream.
oh.
You were riding the excavator?
Yeah.
Oh
I
no.
just go back to work.
Oh. Go back to work?
Yeah.
So how, are you happy?
Yeah.
Have you already saw you're already near the excavator.
Yeah.
How happy are you?
Yes, I just fixing this machine.
Oh my God! Fixing that machine? Happy Keisha. So what's next?
Then I got.
You want to get inside of the cab?
Let me just
On your dream. But you don't want to ride, you don't want to get inside?
and I just got my excavator.
Okay.
Got stuff where else?
Oh, what?
I got stuff where else? I just parked here.
Okay, that's why.
That's why it's here.
I just called a delivery truck.
A delivery truck?
Yeah, because I just got it here.
Okay.
Just delivered here.
Right.
That's why it's here.
And that's why there's no parking space.
That's why it's no parking.
Only for boats.
Only for boats available. Okay, you want to climb up here?
And just
It's okay. Go. Get up.
but Mom. This the truck is that big.
It's okay. You can get the trucks there, na? You can get that stake out. From the trucks, y'all. You can take out. What are you doing? There you go, done. Oh, you wanna get inside?
Because it's raining.
Sige na, get inside na. Why?
I still want to be tall.
Huh? Ah, you're gonna drive it when you're tall. It's okay. Kids can drive the excavator too. Uh-huh. Contractor daw. Contractor gado. Ala, ala, oy, ala, oy.
Nalang libur o nako. Tanan chiker libur. Oh, kompleto na sa boss. Ala, nanawak ko. Kano naman mo? Oh, kano pa ba mo late mo? Ha?
Sa pandulong mo sa foreman.
Diretso na ko na por. Ang libur, ang libur. Unsa man libur?
30, come here. Take a photo to three of you. Come on. Three of you. Elijah.
Ellie.
Elijah. Take a look over there. Camera, camera.
Picture, please.
Elijah. Hello. Oh, bye-bye.
That's one more thing.
Okay. Okay, what work to do now? What shall we do now? Eat? Let's go. Eat. Ah.
I'm already done eating.
Huh?
That's too small.
I want what?
I want to climb on the excavator.
Okay, go. Climb it. Go. Okay, go. Climb. Yeah. Go. Go. Step on. Hi, cab. That's the cab. That's the cab. Yes. Wait lang. Okay. You want to ride inside? Okay, come on. I open it. Let's try if can open it. Come on. Oh, what?
Maybe it's locked.
Application eh. Ang nawong niya ba?
I can see the whole thing.
I can see the whole blade. Are you happy?
Look at the engine.
Are you happy?
I said the engine.
Yeah, the engine.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Very happy?
Very?
I love the excavator.
You love that excavator?
Oh my. I thought enormous. Okay, let's go.
Excavator? What's
Go.
more than me?
Let's come back later.
Come back later. Let's eat first. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Oh.
The- the-
Down on the
Ay, okay, let's go. Sit down on the excavator. Come on.
That's my key.
Yeah.
You have a key?
No,
Why? Why you don't have the key?
because you did not give me the money.
Oh.
Salala ni Mami.
What we're going to do?
Oh. Let's go eat first so that we have money, okay? Okay.
Natultan siya. Pigana dyan. Transporte o. Ang liborero. Ito na, nag-una na o.
Oh, the gas tank.
Ang gas tank. Boss, gitu eh.
Ito, ang libor. Ano ito? Ang libor.
Ha?
Ang libor.